we're back at General McLean High School as the Lancers look on to take on the Bisons. And Sam, what are your expectations right before this game?
Well, I'm at least intrigued to see what Aaron Wagner can do here. I always love seeing stuff like this.
Parker has it as he's going to hand the ball off to Wagner. Wagner takes the shot and can't get his first one to go. He takes the second one and is able to get the bank shot to go in.
I love seeing the support from everybody. Even the Fort LaBeouf fans are cheering and everything. I love seeing that so much.
It really is. As Fort LaBeouf will inbound the ball here.
Hi, my name is Brady Gustafson, and I am in literature and film. What we really do in the class is we analyze film techniques and films themselves. We've done a Hitchcock study, watched 3 Alfred Hitchcock movies. Also, we do constructive responses for some of the movies as well. Like, What's Eating Gilbert Grape? We did a constructive response for that. We just finished watching Little Miss Sunshine as well.
That's like Harry Potter. I really enjoy the course. I really like all the different films we get to view and different readings, and I like to see how the readings and like the stuff we read are adapted in the film each differently.
I tell the student is definitely take it. It's going to be worth your time. You're going to find out about how to make a film, how to put it all together, and plot, subplot. You're going to learn everything about movie techniques.
It's really fun, and if you enjoy movies or anything in the film aspects, you should take it just because it's an awesome way to view different films, and I haven't seen like any of the films we watch, so it's an awesome time.
Child Development 1 is about learning how kids the ages 1 to 3 develop and how they mature and how they act.
We do a book activity where you have to read a child's book in front of the whole class and then do an activity that would go along with the book. I think it's a good class if you're planning on either working with kids or having your own kids in the future. Culinary Arts 1 is a class where it introduces you to reading recipes and properly measuring flour and sugar and foods out. And the class, all of the cooking classes have a lab fee, and then this class continues into Culinary Arts 2, which is just more advanced cooking skills. Lancer Pantry is around the time of Thanksgiving and Christmas, and you bake a lot of pastries and cookies. And the main project in that class is you do a cookie competition, and you have to design a cookie, and then you make a lot of them, and then they're like judged, and that's like the main project in that class.
Okay, so the relationships class is a new class that GM offers to juniors and seniors. This class mainly focuses on how to improve relationships with your peers and your family members and new people that you're meeting.